Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Eka Susanti with NPM 224-11-106 from Management Class 22B. Here I will explain about International Financial Management. International financial management is financial management on the scale of international financial transaction. The principles of international financial management are the same as domestic financial management. The main scope of international financial management decision making includes investment decision, funding decisions, and dividend policy. The types of transactions handled in international financial management include export, import, and foreign exchange markets. Understanding international finance. International finance research is concerned with macroeconomic that is related to the economy as a whole, not individual market. Financial institutions and companies that conduct international finance research include the World Bank, International Finance Corp, EFC, International Monetary Fund, IMF, and National Bureau of Economic Research, NBR. There is an international finance division at the U.S. Federal Reserve that analyzes policies relevant to U.S. capital flows, external trade, and market development in countries around the world. Concepts and theories that are important part of international finance and its research include the Mendel-Fleming model, the international Fisher effect, optimal currency area theory, purchasing power parity, and interest rate parity. Special consideration, international or foreign trade is the most important factor in the prosperity and growth of economic participating in exchange. The increasing popularity and level of globalization has magnified the importance of international finance. Another aspect to consider in terms of international finance is that the United States has shifted from being the largest international creditor, lending money to foreign countries, and has since become the world's largest international debtor. The United States takes money and funding from organizations and countries around the world. This aspect are key element of international finance. International financial management is an important part of financial economic. It mainly addresses issues related to the monetary interaction of less two or more countries. International finance deals with subjects such as currency, exchange rates, world monetary system, foreign direct investment (FDI), and other important issues related to the monetary interaction of less two or more countries. International finance deals with subjects such as currency exchange rates, world monetary system, foreign direct investment (FDI), and other important issues related to international financial management. The World Bank, International Finance Corporation (EFC), International Monetary Fund (IMF), and National Bureau of Economic Research (NBR), and some of leading international financial organizations. International trade is one of the most important factors of growth and prosperity of participating economies. Its importance has been magnified many times due to globalization. Additionally, the risk of the U.S. from being the largest international creditor to largest international debtor is an important issue. These issues are part of international macroeconomic known as international finance. The importance of international financial management. International financial management plays an important role in international trade and inter-economic exchange of goods and services. It is important for a number of reasons, the most famous of which are listed here. International finance is an important tool for finding exchange rates, comparing inflation rates, getting ideas about investing in international debt securities, as ascertaining the economic status of other countries, and assessing foreign markets. Various economic factors help in making international investment decision. Economic factors help in determining whether an investor money is safe or not with foreign debt securities. Utilizing IFRS is an important factor for many states of international finance. The financial report verified by countries that have adopted IFRS are similar. This help many countries to follow the same report system as IFRS. The IFRS system, which is part of financial of international finance, also help in saving money by following reporting rules and single accounting standards. International finance has grown in stature due to globalization. It helped to understand the basic of all international organizations and maintain balance between them. The international finance system maintains peace among countries. Without solid financial measures, all countries will work in their own self-interest. International finance helps solve that problem. International financial organizations such as IMF, World Bank provide a mediator role in managing international financial disputes. The existence of an international financial system means that there is the possibility of an international financial crisis. This is where the study of international finance becomes very important. To know between international financial crises, we must understand the nature of the international financial system. Without international finance, the possibility of conflict and harassing chaos is obvious. International financial help maintain international issues in countries that implement in financial discipline effectively. International financial management function effect of debt crisis on bank. International banks were victims of many government debt default. When loans were given into international financial companies, they could be forced to liquidation but could not enter to the government cash. The bank has therefore spent time and money to reschedule and recover the money in installment, and some debts were written off. The debt crisis weakened the bank, but the banking system did not collapse. Banks became more conscious and began to lend only to countries with market-oriented economics and undergoing structural reforms. Debt serving capacity and foreign exchange earnings and the use of capital production are all taken into account as important aspects of the definition of international finance. Corporate financing decision. Another important function of international finance is the decision on the amount of debt for a given level of equity, leverage, and reduction of tax interest and debt payment will make companies prefer as much debt as possible, but debt increases risks and hence there is a trade-off between leverage and risk. Due to debt, the question explained corporate management itself is the right mix of equity and debt. Difference between the domestic and international financial management. The four main aspects that different international financial management from domestic financial management are the introduction of foreign currency, political risks and market imperfection, and the increase in stabilized opportunities. International finance has become an important agenda for a large multinational companies. Without expertise in international financial management, it will be difficult to survive in the market because international financial market have very different form and analytic compared to domestic financial market. Sound international financial management can help organizations achieve the same efficiency and effectiveness in all market.